In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI narration for your content in Genspark. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. If you haven't logged in for a while, take a moment to make sure you're on the latest version of the interface, as features may have shifted slightly. Once you're in, you're ready to bring your materials to life with narration. Next, create or open the content you want narrated. This could be a set of slides, a report, or any document that benefits from a clear voiceover. If you're starting from scratch, set up your content with clean headings and short, clear sentences. If you're opening an existing file, give it a quick scan to fix typos, remove any confidential details, and ensure the order makes sense. The clearer your text, the better the narration will sound. Now, look for the voice narration or voice your slides feature. You'll usually find it in the toolbar or within an export or enhance menu. The label might vary slightly, but you're looking for anything related to voice or narration. Click to open the narration panel. From here, let Genspark generate narration from your content automatically. The tool reads your text and creates a draft voiceover for each section. This is where good formatting really helps. Well-structured headings and bullet style ideas in the document itself usually produce smoother, more natural results without extra effort. Before moving on, choose or review the AI voice if options are available. You may see different tones, accents, or languages. Pick a voice that matches your audience and subject matter. If you can adjust speed or emphasis, aim for a pace that's clear but not rushed. When in doubt, a neutral, friendly voice at a moderate speed works well for most topics. Next, preview the narrated output and make edits if needed. Listen through from start to finish, paying attention to pronunciation of brand names, acronyms, or technical terms. If something sounds off, tweak the source text by adding phonetic hints or breaking long sentences into shorter ones. Regenerate the affected parts and listen again until the flow feels natural and engaging. Finally, save or export the narrated result. Choose a descriptive file name, and if you have format options, select the one that fits your workflow, such as audio only or embedded narration with slides. Store it in a folder where collaborators can easily find it. And that's it. Your content now has a polished AI-powered voiceover ready to share.